What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Eagle Eye. So I just want to show you a quick update on two trades that I didn't take this week, but actually played out massively. So I want to start with GBPJPY. As you can see, this is GBPJPY, and I want to show you the power of QM pattern. So you can see here, we actually hit our we hit this high over here. So definitely I was looking to sell from this zone up over there, all right, or from that level. Once the market tapped there, then I was looking to sell. And even before I go ahead, you can already see our QM pattern here, right? We had our higher high, then we have our lower low, and then the market came to tap back our zone over there. Then look at this, it just melted. And you can see that even from the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we had the market giving us what, giving us the awesome oscillator was giving us lower high. So if you go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see it now clearly. That's where it is. And sometimes you have to change this into a line chart so that you can be able to see clearly. And you can see that we had our higher high over there, lower low. The market came back to the zone, and you guys know the drill. Once the market comes to the zone, what do? We look for our entries, and then we enter over there, and you can see how from there it just did what? It just melted all the way to the downside. So that was a beautiful trade. Then another trade was gold. All right, as you can see here, so we had gold here. I'll start from the 4-hour time frame. You can see the overall we have this structure over here. So we've had this big flag over there on the 4-hour time frame. So that's actually a continuation pattern, right, whereby we know that after this we are looking for the market to do what, to continue moving to the upside. But something happened over here. The market started giving us this structure, as you can see over there, right? You can see it over there. It was very, very nice structure moving to the upside. Beautiful. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. And on the 1-hour time frame, you can see it here. You can see it very, very, very nicely. The market is moving to the upside, and then something happened over here, and this is where we see our QM pattern. Look at this point over here. What happened over here? The market gave us what? The market gave us let's look at that. So you can see here we had our what? Sorry, let's change this. So over here you can see that market gave us what? Our lower low, and we had our higher high. So that's a clear QM pattern, right? So what do? We draw this zone over here. We wait for the market to come. We wait for the market to come to this level. Then what happened? We enter and we hold our trade to the upside. So let's go ahead and create our zone over here. So you can see this is our zone over there. That's where it is. And the beautiful thing about this is that it actually aligns to our supporting trend line. So what happened after that? Look at that. After that, the market came, and you can see over here there's some rejection. As you can see here, the market is being rejected. That was very good. So this was where our entry will have been, and then the rest is what? The rest is history. And as you can see, this one actually played out close to around 1,300, almost 1,500 pips. So that is actually the power of QM pattern. And if you look here, let me show you here. If I extend this, you can see that here, as the market was giving us this smaller lower low over here, look at down here. What has happened here? The market is giving us what? The market is giving us higher low. So that's a clear what? That's a clear divergence over there. So once we have our divergence, then what do? We just enter our trades, and then we now allow the market to play its thing, and you can see how it went. So these were actually two fantastic, beautiful trades. I didn't take them. They were actually I had seen them, I had planned for them, but I was not able to take them. The market just left me, but that is fine. That's life. But I just wanted to share these two powerful setups and how a QM pattern can actually revolutionize your trading career. So follow for more, like, subscribe, share, comment on the comment section below, and I'll be happy to respond to you. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next episode.